Okay, we're working on Maddie's iPhone. Have it all taken apart. Let's start by putting in this brand new iPhone 3GS camera. It's pretty decently cool. Okay, we're gonna do that by taking the motherboard, this really cool object right here, and making sure it is folded like the old one. Make sure the new camera. We're gonna do that. Fold it over, and fold it up. Kind of like that. It's gonna look cool like that. We're gonna pop it. Kind of like your. I don't know how to explain how you pop this in. You just do it. The cool way. Okay, so once you got this thing popped in, it's gonna just go in like normal camera. Here's the motherboard. If you drop it, you will not have your iPhone anymore, as you see. Okay, so we're gonna do the decent thing, and we are going to make sure that we don't get any of these cables caught, because you will end up ripping one and you will lose your iPhone. Probably not a good thing if you've paid a lot of money for it. Okay, so we're gonna work on making sure none of this stuff gets caught and broken. I don't think Maddie would like that.
No.
So we're popping all this stuff in. Okay, so now we got...
Did you put the new camera in?
Yeah. So now we got all this cool stuff installed. I'm gonna push that new camera into its slot, just like so. It's probably not the easiest thing to get in, but it will go in.
Do you think it'll work?
Hopefully, if it's the camera. Thank God iPod stuff is not expensive, or else it'd be probably like $1 million. Okay, so we got the camera now in its slot. Now to snap all the stuff in without breaking it. We're gonna do this by being extremely careful.
What was wrong with this camera?
Who the hell knows? Okay, actually gonna start off by remembering to plug this in a little bit better, because it obviously pops out again. It's a dumb thing. Okay, let's restart, but not the video. Okay, got your camera? We're gonna coolly, like, snap this camera back in. Hold it from the edge, don't smash anything. Or your iPhone, again, won't work and you'll be screwed. Not a lot of people want a broken iPod. Or iPhone. Unless you're Bill Gates. I mean, I sure ain't Bill Gates. Maddie sure ain't Bill Gates. And I'm sure not Bill Gates.
I like how you're on the camera.
Okay. So as we just retried it, it did it again. So let's retry this again over and over until it finally...
Alright, can I stop video?
No. How many minutes have gone by?
4.
Okay, that's 4 too little.
When could I stop it?
I want to tell you.
Can I sit on this?
Yeah, sure.
Should I just put this up on the floor?
Yeah. Okay. Let's hope for this time we will actually get it to work. Okay. So as you see, if you look up on there, they show you how to take it apart. They don't really technically show you how to put this camera in. The biggest pain in the ass so far, I found out how to put the dumb camera in. Sorry for the swearing, but deal with it, okay, people?
You're gonna upload this video?
Yeah, I am. I mean, why not, people, right? Gonna pop this shit in. Carefully with the camera so it doesn't pop out again because it's gonna be retarded. Okay. Make sure you have no little wires hanging out that are gonna get caught and screw up your iPhone, just like I have done. And then carefully push your iPhone together. And Maddie is answering a text message right now. She's so cool.
Oh, Ryan's here.
We'll tell Ryan to ring the doorbell and somebody will let him in. We are going to try to figure this out. This thing's being the biggest pain in the... Yeah. Can't swear at people, but I'll swear as much as I possibly can to make it YouTube legal. Yeah, I can hear the phone ringing.
I'm calling Ryan.
Sounds like my phone. Wait, why is my phone ringing?
Jordan's making me record a video of him taking apart my iPhone. Can you just ring the doorbell? Alright, bye.
That's gonna sound cool on YouTube. People dance, that sounds so cool. I mean, I love the door every time it rings. It just makes me so excited. Every time I hear it, just like ding dong.
Is someone gonna go get it?
Well, then tell them to wait. I think we almost have it.
Should I go just get the door for him in your video? It'll take 2 seconds.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
As I try to videotape myself putting this thing together. And we're going to try to get this little piece so it doesn't keep popping undone. Yep, we'll continue this in a little bit. Stay forward.